What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. In today's video, we'll be unboxing, installing, and reviewing the Kiwi design replaceable head strap for the Oculus Quest 2. Now, this strap is considered an upgrade in stability and comfort in comparison to the stock strap that ships with the Quest 2. As for this video, it's featured on the Oculus MetaQuest playlist, so you can find information related to this topic quickly and easily. Now, in the previous video, we unboxed, installed, and reviewed the Kiwi design VR dumbbell kit for the Quest 2, and these are lightweights that attach to the Quest 2 controllers. Now, that kit installed easily with a factory finish, so I have hopes that this one will as well. As always, we only feature products or services I buy, use, or am interested in. Now, you can find this item and related items at the Amazon storefront link in the description below. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So here we are with the unboxing. Contents include the head strap, back bracket with top strap, cleaning cloth, and product information. The side straps feature angle adjustable connectors which provide two positions, and there's good resistance, but locking into place leaves a little bit of play, so we'll have to see how this feels later in the video. On the rear of the strap is a fit wheel which extends the side straps or shortens them with a ratcheting sound, and this has good resistance in it, and it seems to lock these side straps into place securely with just a little bit of play. Now, the nice thing about this fit wheel is you can see that it extends out from the back of the strap slightly, and that should be a plus here because it should be easy to find with the headset on your head. And then we have the top strap and back bracket, which feature 1/2-inch thick soft PU leather cushioning, similar to padding that comes on higher end headphones. This should provide improved comfort for longer play sessions compared to the factory strap. So here we are with my Quest 2 with the Elite strap installed. And you may consider this an upgrade from the Kiwi design strap we're reviewing in this video because the Elite strap has a built-in battery in the back there for extended playtime. Now, everything else is pretty close. The side straps attach similarly here, except remember on this replaceable strap we're reviewing for this video, we've got the angle adjustment here, so it'll be interesting to see how that functions once we install the replaceable strap. And then we also have that nice padding along the top strap and that rear bracket there, so that's going to add comfort. Now, the reason I wanted to show the strap that I'm currently using is because I want to do a removal process so you can see what to expect when removing a strap. So I like to start with the side straps. I just simply bend out on them here and then they'll release. Just take your time here, and that will release both side straps that you see there. And then we've got the top strap, so that's just going to unvelcro. And to get the rest of it out, we have to remove this insert here. That just clicks into place. Kind of just wiggle it until you get it out. And then we could set that to the side because we're going to have to reuse that in a moment. And then we can pull the rest of the top strap through. And then you're going to see here, once I unplug my cable, that's going to leave us with just the headset itself. So I think I'll start with the top strap and the back bracket. We are just going to unvelcro this, and I can already tell this is going to be an upgrade in comfort. I'm going to feed this through, and that fits through there pretty good. And of course we can adjust all this later. The idea is just to get it together here. So we've got that top strap and back bracket, and then I would just kind of flip that over. Then we could get this piece installed back in here, and I'm just making sure we have enough clearance here. It looks like that might be okay, but if not, if we made it too short, we can lengthen it a little bit here. The good thing about this review is I'm not going to edit out little things like that because I want you to be able to see this, see what's going on here. So now that I made that a little longer, I should be able to install this in here. This should click into place. You want to get some good clicking action there. make sure it's actually in place really good. And then I'm just going to flip this over, and then we can grab our side straps, which should just click into place. And I want to make sure that I install this correctly here, because this back bracket looks like it goes into these slots a specific way. And you can also see that the back bracket, the right side up, you can go by the Kiwi design logo there on the back. This should actually flip this way because you want these arms to articulate up. So we're going to drop this into place, and that just clicks just like the Elite strap. That clicks into place there. And the last part is we just have to click this into place. So line this up with the guides. That clicks in there really secure. And that's going to be the end result there. So that's going to look pretty good. Now, before we do a test fit, I did want to cover cleaning, because the product information has information about that, which is why the cloth is included. So basically what Kiwi Design recommends is wiping off the cushioned areas to prevent any mold from developing. And you don't want to use harsh chemicals like alcohol or detergents. So now let's talk about fit, which I'm excited to talk about. And I actually really like this strap here for the reason I'm about to display. So we can put the headset on our head, we can rest it just like this. And with the Elite strap, I couldn't really do this feeling confident, because I would feel like it would just kind of slide down over my head. But that's not even the best part. So when we're actually ready to go into our virtual reality experience, all I do is hold here, and I just pull down here. I may have to do a little bit of adjustment, but overall that looks really good. It just slides down really well, and it's also comfortable because of the padding. The padding runs along the top of my head there, and the back padding here feels comfortable. And when I'm ready to exit out of the experience, again, I just have to flip up here. I can rest it on my head, and I can do a little shake test. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off. You know, of course, we're not going really extreme here. I don't want to flip the headset off my head, but I like that you can just flip this down. It gets you into it gets you into the mode. Like, you know, you're entering game mode, you're ready, you know, that kind of thing. And it's easy to exit out, you know, if you have to see what's going around in the house. You know, if my dog's chewing on something, hey, what you doing over there? You know, that kind of thing. But this is really nice. I like this. And of course, we get the adjustment still. So, you know, we can lengthen, we can shorten. The ratcheting, good feedback. It feels very secure. And then I can pull it down. I can tighten up more if I like, or I can release. And this is also really nice because if I want to flip up here, I don't have to loosen to do so. It doesn't feel like it's too tight where I can't do this. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it interesting, please leave a like. If you're watching this on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, there are 3 ways you can support the channel. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would like to buy, and anything you buy from the storefront does support the content. The next way you can support us is just by sharing this content with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way you can show your support is just by clicking the subscribe button. Now, liking and subscribing are important because those are your ways to vote on if you like the content. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. If new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the content is helpful, worth watching, and listening to. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.